Hello everyone, how you all are doing? I really hope you all are doing well and safe, and if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell button next to it so that you're notified every time I put up a new video. And if you don't know me guys, hi, my name is Sabah and I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle and product reviews, and if you like what you see so far, then please be my virtual family by subscribing the red subscribe button. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to share a very interesting product with you all, and I have been trying this product for more than 2.5 months now, and I'm talking about this Mederma Cream. So this is skincare for scars cream, and I have been testing out this cream for more than 2.5 months now, and I have documented the whole process for you guys. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just move to the video and see my full and final review. So guys, I have started using this cream on 16th December 2020, and today is 27th February, so it's been like 2.5 months now, and I have documented the whole process. So guys, a little story time. So I have a very problematic skin, and I have been dealing with acne since my childhood itself, and some of my scars are like 8 to 9 years old, and some of them are like completely new because I have been getting acne in like every week or every month. So yeah, this is a condition of my skin, and I have a combination skin, but sometimes it becomes extremely dry and sometimes it becomes extremely oily. And I chose this Mederma cream because when I saw the advertisement, it looks very promising, to be honest guys, and I just wanted to give it a try and see whether it works or not. And Mederma claims that if you have old scar, it will take like 6 months to heal it, and if you have completely new scars, then it will take like 8 to 10 weeks to heal that. And guys, I have documented the whole journey of using this Mederma cream. So yeah, let's watch the video and see whether it fades away my acne scars or not. Hello everyone, so today is the day 1 where I'm gonna apply this Mederma cream for the very first time, and I quickly wanted to show you how my skin looks like. So as you can see, this side of cheek is just full of acne marks, and this side is kind of clear, and I have a little bit of acne mark here as well, and my forehead is kind of very clear. So yeah, this is the condition of my skin right now. And I'm gonna document the whole process on 10 days. So I think I'm gonna take like 2 months, and then only I'm gonna put up my full final review to you people. So yeah, today is like 16th of December, so I really hope you can see that. So today is 16th of December, and I am gonna use it for the very first time, and let's see it has some magic and it is gonna clear my acne marks or not. I have tried a lot of technique, and yeah, it is just not going, and every month I have like new acne scars coming. So yeah, hoping for the best, and I'm super excited to see the results. So yeah, and I'm gonna see you after 10 days. Bye bye. Hello everyone, so today is 1st January 2021, and this is me after 15 days. So I have applied the cream for 3 times a day, and this is the condition of my skin right now. So guys, as you can see, this side of my cheek is still the same. There's no difference, only the teeny tiny marks are like fading away, and this side of my cheek is healing it up, but the process is really slow. But let's hope for the best, and let's see it has any magic in a span of 2 months. So I'm giving like 2 months for this cream, and let's see it has anything to offer, and I'll see you after 15 days. Bye. So guys, that was my journey of using this Mederma cream, and I'm quite impressed with this cream guys. Like you have seen in the video that it does what it claims, like it clears my like new scars, but on like old scarring I didn't see like a lot of huge difference, because that scars were like almost 10 years old, and I know it will like take time to heal that scar, but on new scarring it does what it claims, and I'm really happy with the result. Like this side of my cheek is completely clear, as you have seen in the video. Like now I have makeup on, so you can't clearly see that. This is what the tube looks like, and I have almost finished it, and I need to buy it again because I don't want to discontinue it now. I want to like use it for like 1 year because my scars are really old and I know it will take time. So I'm gonna use this cream for 1 year now and see whether it will heal this side of my cheek or not, because this side is like full of old scarring, and I'll give it a try again. But I'm happy with my new scarring. Like it fades a lot of my new scars, and I'm quite impressed with the result. And this is how the tube looks like, and it has like a clear gel. Let me show you. So this is like a clear gel. I hope you can see that. So guys, when you apply this cream, you will feel nothing at all. It does not have any effect or like a, for example, cooling effect or any burning sensation. It does not have anything like that. But when you applied it, and it will just absorb into your skin, and after 1 hour or 2 hours, you'll feel some peeling. Okay, when you applied it, just soak into your skin and start peeling your skin. It is very minor, but you will see like some peeling happening on your skin. So yeah, this is the effect of this one. So guys, I have applied this cream twice a day and sometimes thrice, but it is mentioned in the box that you have to apply thrice a day to see results. This is my review of this Mederma cream, and I'm quite happy. I'm not really happy because it didn't fade away my old acne scars, but it did fade away my new acne scars, which is complete yay, and I'm so happy for that. And I'm gonna give like 1 year to this cream, and I'll apply like on a daily basis. And yeah, consistency is very important. If you apply like 1 day and then 5 days later you'll apply, it is not gonna work like that way. So you have to be consistent. You have to be apply like 2 times a day, if not thrice. So yeah, make sure to do that. So guys, this cream retails for rupees 450 for 10 grams of product, which is quite expensive, but it's very long lasting. Like I have been using this cream for more than 2.5 months now, and still it has a lot of product inside the tube. So I think I can use it for good 20 days or 1 more month. So yeah, the quantity is pretty good. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope you like this video, and if you really did, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And this cream is available on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart, and you can easily buy it from any medical store near you. And yeah, you can buy it from there, and I'll see you super soon in my next one. Till then, y'all stay happy. Bye bye.